children, we are going to learn how to apply, that is application of linear equation to solve the word problems. You have got the word problems in practice set 1.5. So first I am going to only read the question and then I will start with the solution. So please understand the question first. If you understand the question, then only you will be able to form the equation and then solution becomes more easier. If you are not able to form equation, then you won't get the solution also. So forming the equation for the word problems is very important. So for that you have to understand the question. Now, see the first question. Two numbers differ by 3. So two numbers means the two variables here. Two numbers differ by 3. This is a condition given. Condition 1. Now, second condition is the sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 90. So, find the numbers. This is the question. So, let us take, this question is based on two numbers. So, let us take, let one number or let the greater number be as x. So, let us take, let the greater number be as x and let the smaller number be as by. So by first condition what is given? Two numbers differ by 3. That means the greater number minus the smaller number. So by first condition we get x greater number minus the smaller number, they differ by 3. This is equation 1. Now by second condition, what is given? The sum of twice the smaller number. We know that y is the smaller number here. Sum of twice the smaller number means 2y. Sum means we are going to add. Yes. Sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number. Thrice the greater number. 3 times the x. Greater number is x. Thrice means 3x. And sum of these two equal to 90. I have written in this form because linear equations are always written in the alphabetical ones. So therefore here, this is the second condition, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 90. According to second condition, I have got equation 2. So, observe equation 1 and 2. You can see the coefficient of y in equation 2 is 2y and here it is only minus y. So, I can easily multiply equation 1 by 2. So, when I multiply equation 1 by 2, it is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 3s are 6. This is equation 3. Now, you can add equation 1 and 3. So, add equation 1. Equation 1 is converted to 3. Add equation 3 and 2. 1 is converted to 3, but its place will not change. Never change the place of the equation. So, equation 3 will come in the first place, representing the first equation. So 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. This is equation 3. Then 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. Equation 2. So adding the equation means this will get cancelled. I have got here 5x is equal to here 6 plus 19 is 25. Now we'll substitute this x value in any one of the equation. So you see that equation 1 is the easiest equation. So substituting the value of in equation 1. So write equation 1. X minus y is equal to as 3. Equation 1. X value we have got it as 5. 5 minus y is equal to 3. So minus y, I will transfer this 5 to the other side. It is 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5, when I solve, I get minus 2. Both the numbers have different sign. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So minus y is equal to minus 2. So minus minus sign I can cancel. Therefore y is equal to as 2. Now this question was based on what? Two numbers. So we have got the two numbers 5 and 2. Therefore the greater number is is 5 and the smaller number is 2. Therefore, solution of the simultaneous equation x value we have got it as 5, y value we have got it as 2. This is the second question of practice set 1.5. It is complete the following. This question is an activity question. You have another activity before this practice set 1.5. In the solved problems, just go through that activity question also. Now this is an activity question given here. You see there is a box given this. It's given that as I am a rectangle. You know what is a rectangle? Yes. So it's given I am a rectangle. So when it is a rectangle, this we represent this side. We know it is understood that it is the length, and there is an equation given here, and you know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So this length is equal to this. Therefore, this equation is also equal to this. Now come to the breadth here. This you know that opposite sides are equal. So this breadth is equal to this breadth. 2y is equal to x plus 4 in this way. So this length and breadth forms two equations. Now question is given, find the value of x and y. Then we have to find my perimeter and area. That means you have to find out the perimeter and area of this rectangle. So when we get x and y value, substituting x and y value in this is the length. We can find out what is the length or what is the breadth, and then we can find out area of the rectangle. So therefore let us start now. So you have seen that the length is given. Length length is given as 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to the other length as 4x minus 1. Now, it is equal to, so both x and y terms you bring to one side. So 2x plus y, these two terms if you bring here, it is minus 4x. This is minus means it is plus y is equal to, this will go that side means it is minus 8 here. So when we solve similar terms, I will get 2x minus 4x as minus 2x, then plus y and plus y as plus 2y equal to as minus 8. This as equation 1. Then let us go with the breadth. You can see this breadth is equal to this breadth, that is 2y is equal to given as x plus 4. Form it into a linear equation. So x I will bring this side. It is minus x plus 2y equal to as 4 in this form. This forms equation 2. Now, you can see here in equation 1 and equation 2, the coefficient of y is here 2, again y is also 2 here. This with the same coefficient but with the same sign. So when they are having the same sign, we have to subtract the equation. So now we subtract equation 2 from 1. Equation 2 from 1. So write equation 1 first. Minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 8. Equation 1. Equation 2 is minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. Equation 2. We are subtracting this. Therefore, what we have to do? We have to change the sign. This is minus, so it will convert to plus. This is plus, it will convert to minus. This is plus here, it will convert to minus. So, 2y gets cancelled. Now, this is plus and this is minus. So, minus, this is minus and this is plus. So, minus 2x and plus x. We have to subtract it. So, I will get minus 6. Sign of the greater number. Minus x is equal to as. Now, see here. Minus 8 minus 4. Both have same sign. Add and put the same sign. Minus 12. Now, I have got both the side. Minus minus I can cancel it. It gets converted to positive both sides. So x is equal to as. Therefore now x is equal to as 12. We got the value of x is equal to as 12. Now substituting the value of value of x equal to 12 in equation. In equation, let us take 1 or 2, whatever it is. We can take equation 2. Minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. Equation 2 I have taken. Minus in the bracket 12 plus 2y is equal to 4. So it is minus 12 plus 2y equal to 4. Now minus 12 I will transfer that side. So it is here 2y is equal to as 4 plus 12. So 2y is equal to as 16. Y is equal to 16 by 2. So therefore y is equal to as 8. Now let us find out the length of the rectangle. Here the length of the rectangle is given as what? 2x plus 5 plus 8. And here it is given length as 4x minus 5. So to find out the length of the rectangle, either we can take this equation or take this one. So therefore let us take this. Length of the rectangle equal to is equal to as, let us take this as 2x plus 5 plus 8. Substitute the value of x and y in this. X is equal to 2 into x is 12 plus y value 8 plus 8. So this is equal to 12 to the 24 plus 8 plus 8, 16 here. So it is equal to 10, carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. 40 units. Let us take it as 40 units. This is the length of the rectangle. Now breadth. Breadth of rectangle. Breadth of rectangle is given as 2y. Here also it is given as x plus 4. Any one we can take. Either 2y or either x plus 4. So let me take 2y. That is equal to 2 into y value is 8. 2 8 is 16. 16 units. So we got length of the rectangle as 40 units and breadth of the rectangle as 16 units. Now we can find out, the question is given as find my perimeter and area. So perimeter of the rectangle. Of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So this is equal to 2 into length is here 40 plus breadth 16. So 2 into 56. That is equal to 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 5 are 10 plus 1, 11. 112 units. Length is equal to 112 units. Now, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to as what? Length into breadth. So length is here 40 units. Into breadth it is 16 units. So 16 fours is 64 and 0. So now it is square units, because area we represent it by square units. So therefore area of rectangle is equal to now 640 square units. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to as 112 units. So in this way, when activity question is given, we have to read the information given in the figure properly, understand it, and then form equations out of the given condition in the figure. Solve the equations, you get the values, then substitute it according to the condition given based on the figure, whatever or on which topic the activity is given. So this is an activity question. In the same manner, another activity is given in the textbook. So go through it and solve that and practice it. Now the third question based on age of father and son. The question is like this way. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. Sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70 even. This is the first condition. According to second condition, if we double the age of father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Means double the age of the father and the son's age together, it is 95. So find their present age. So let us take, let the present age of father be X years. Let the present age of father be X years. And let the present age of son be Y years. In short, I have written. Okay. By first condition, it is given sum of the father's age and twice the age of the son. Father's age is X years plus twice the age of the son means 2Y is equal to 70. This forms equation 1. By second condition, it is given that if we double the age of the father, means 2x plus and add it to the age of the son. Now age of the son is only Y years, present age. This is equal to as 95. This becomes equation 2. Now we have got two equations, 1 and 2. Now, look here. Either we can multiply equation 1 by 2 or equation 2 by 2. If I multiply equation 1 by 2, x will get cancelled. If I multiply equation 2 by 2, y will get cancelled. So, any one we can do. In both the conditions, here, both are positive. So, we have to subtract the equation. So, let us multiply equation 1 by 2. So, I get equation 1 gets converted as, if I multiply by 2, 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 2y is 4y is equal to 2 7 are 14, 140. This is equation 3. Now I have to subtract equation 2 from 3 because equation 3 is representing equation 1. So subtract equation 2 from 3. So write equation 3 first because it is representing equation 1. 2x plus 4y equal to 140. Equation 3. Equation 2 is 2x plus y is equal to as 95. Equation 2. We are subtracting it, so change the sign. This is minus, this is here minus, this is plus, means it gets to converted to minus. So here 2x gets cancelled here. Now 4 minus y, 4y minus y will get converted, will get the solution as 3y. Sign out the greater number. equal to, now 140 minus 95. So you get here as 5. This is 9 minus here 13. So 13 minus 9. You get 45. Sign of the great number positive. So y is equal to as 45 by 3. 3 15s is 45. Therefore y is equal to as 50. We got the value of y. And y is what? Present age of the sun. So now substituting the value of y equal to 15 in equation, either we take 1 or 2, any. Let us take equation 1. So x plus 2y equal to 70, equation 1. So y is equal to 15, in place of y, substitute 15 value. X plus 2 into 15 is equal to 70. So x plus 15 to I is 30. 30 is equal to 70. Now 30 you transfer it to the other side. So x is equal to 70 minus 30. Therefore x is equal to, I have got 40. Therefore that means present age of x is representing the present age of father. That means the present age of father is 40 years and the present age of the son is 15 years. So write the solution or the concluding answer. Therefore, the present age of father is 40 years and the present age of son is 15 years.